guys, welcome back to another video, and I have some horrible news that you can't even imagine. Like, horrible, beyond horrible. On the cliff of a mountain, horrible. Okay, so anyways, let's just get into the video. Yo. Okay, like I said, I have horrible news, and the horrible news is that the news people said that we're having a hurricane. Hurricane. I've never had a hurricane in my 11-year life, about to be 12-year life, if I don't die about the hurricane. So, like, yeah. And my mom over here recorded me on Snapchat making fun of me that I am really scared about the hurricane. I've never experienced one. My mom keeps on saying, and some Facebook friends saying that the news people said there was a lot of hurricanes gonna be coming like a long time ago, but they never came. They always turned around, went somewhere else. But you never know. No one knows if it's gonna hit or not. So I'm just getting myself prepared. And yeah, we went to H-E-B today to go get some donuts, and then we also went to go get some water. We have some canned foods here already, like corn, some green beans, and some other different kinds of beans. We have some wolf chili, but that's not gonna cut it. We have some pineapple too, though, but that's not gonna cut it. I will actually stay at the Red Cross place if they let me, and I will pay them $2 because that's all I have under my name. So, like, yeah. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what flashlights that I got for a hurricane. Okay, so I have 3 different types of flashlights. I have a regular flashlight. I have 2 little ones that are the same but different colors. This one's brighter because I haven't used that at all. This one is kind of a little bit bright. It's bright, but it's not as bright as the other one. And yeah, I'm really scared because one major thing that I might die. People might die. And all my new stuff that I bought for school this year, like, what am I going to do with that? Like, bruh. And then, like, I'm just so scared. I want to go get a $5 tub at H-E-B. And I want to go get some more water. Because they said there is going to be rain and wind. So, like, I'm happy for wind because I like wind. But rain, like, no. Like, I just wanted to tell y'all guys that I'm just, like, so, like, shocked. I just, like, cross my fingers that a hurricane doesn't strike us and knock down every single thing, and that my mom comes to realize that we could go to the Red Cross. Like, yeah. So, until then, we are going to be praying so it doesn't strike us and it turns around like all the other ones did. And pretty much that was all. I was just giving y'all an update, and yeah. Excuse that. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're scared just as well as I am. And if you like wind like me. And comment down below if you're scared. Hold on. Excuse that. Okay, comment down below if you're scared too, like I am, and if you like wind. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm fascinating. And yeah, so there's not going to be a fun fact of the day today. I am sorry, but I'm just trying to keep up with the news and try to update y'all, like, info. If y'all haven't already watched the news, please do so. It's on at 5, 6, and 10 on Chris 6 News. Don't forget to watch that because they are updating y'all into info. So that's going to be very helpful. Okay, so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you haven't already too. So you could be notified every time I upload another video, just like this one. And until next time, bye. Love ya. Hope we don't get hit by a hurricane.